Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have dz, the integration of dz. We have z. And then we put the bounds from this one to this one. So we have like this. And now we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about s equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, s square plus y square equals to r square cosine theta square plus r square sine theta square. We have r square and r square. We can do about factorization. And this one equals to number 1. dy dx we change by r dr d theta. Now we need to consider about the bounds in here. About dy, we see that y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to the square root of 9 minus s square. About dx, so we have s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 3. And now we just consider about this one. Now we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And this one I will put in here. And we have 3 to the power of 2. Now we have the formula of the circle. And we have s minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2 equals to r square. So we don't have a and b in here. So the center in here you got about 0, 0. And the radius is about number 3. And now we need to graph about this one. So we have number 3, number 3, negative number 3, negative number 3. So we see that dy is greater than number 0 and smaller than of the square root of 9 minus s square. So that should be about this one in here. And the next one, ds. So we have s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 3. So that should be about this one, because we have s in here. So the region of this one, that is in here. Now we need to change this one. X and Y we change by r cosine theta or sine theta. So we can put about r square cosine theta sine theta. This one we change by r square, so we have the square root of number 3 r square. This one we have the square root of r square over number 3. dy dx we change by r dr d theta. About this one we have dr, that is about the radius of the circle. That should be about from 0 to number 3. About d theta, so we start from here and we stop in here. So we can use about trigonometric circle. So this one we have number 0 and we stop at b over 2. And now we need to calculate this one. So this one we have r with the square root of number 3. This one we have r over the square root of number 3. So if we simplify everything, we have r to the power of 4. And we have number 2 with the square root of number 3 over 3. And we put cosine theta sine theta gone here. The next one, we have number 2 with cosine theta and sine theta. We have sine 2 theta. And now we can simplify like this. The integration of r to the power of 4, we have r to the power of 5 over 5, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 3. So I will put number 3 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have 81 with the square root of number 3 over number 5. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2, and we have cosine 2 theta, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. And now we have the final answer. and we have 81 with the square root of number 3 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.